Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to customize tabs in Salesforce. This is a great way to organize your workspace and make important tools easier to access. To get started, all we need to do is click the gear button in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Once we see that, we just click this option to open the menu. The Advanced Setup page will appear. This is where we can find both the advanced and basic setup options in Salesforce. From here, we just need to click on the quick find bar and type tabs to quickly bring up the tab sections. This saves us from having to search for it manually. Now we can configure our tabs. In this section, we can rename tabs and adjust their labels. We can edit the names by clicking the Edit button and making changes directly. For example, we can choose between singular or plural forms. It is a simple but useful customization option. We can edit all the tabs here whenever needed. To work with the tabs directly, all we have to do is click on them here. In this section, we can edit or delete tabs and customize them however we like. We can set up our tabs right here. For now, we only have one tab, the Book tab. Customizing tabs helps improve navigation, boosts productivity, and creates a more personalized experience in Salesforce. And that is how we customize tabs in Salesforce. With this simple adjustment, we can build a cleaner and more efficient workspace.